Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce this manual perfume capping machine. So firstly, when you see there was capping hand inside, you should choose this capping hand size depend on your bottle. For example, if your bottle cap is 20, so choose this 22 so that it can match the cap. Make sure this ring should be in the middle. Yes. Then secondly, we should adjust these two parts to match the bottle size. This can move like this, depend on the bottle size. For example, this bottle, after find a good position, then fix these two parts so the bottle will not be out of place. For example, it's easy to control. Then adjust the height like these two screws. You can move up and down for big bottle or small bottle. After all, then you can put your cap after adjust the height, then press down this, then it will be locked. Thanks for watching.